In this program I'm going to show you how to ask the user who is running the program to input some data and then display that data on the screen. So I've started my program with a simple print command, so when I run this it just outputs hello and welcome to my program. What I would like is to ask the user to enter their name and then say to the user hello followed by whatever their name is. So to do this, first of all I need to think of a variable name to store the value that they are going to type in. So since the user is going to type in their name, I'm going to call the variable name. So name equals, at this point I could put the data into the program, but this is not how I want to do it. I want to let whoever is using the program type in their own name. They should not see the code. So instead I'm going to say input, and then in brackets I put the question or the text I want to prompt the user. So I'm going to say name equals input, what is your name? Question mark. Now I'm going to leave a space between the question mark and the apostrophe just so it looks neater on screen. I'm then going to say print name. So let's see if this works. So I'm going to run it. It says hello, welcome to my program, what is your name? And then you can see the cursor is waiting for me to type something in. So let's type in my name, press enter, and where it says Mr. Vaughan underneath, that is this line here that's making that happen. Now what I want it to say is hello Mr. Vaughan. So what I'm going to do is put the word hello here, and if you remember from last lesson, to join this string onto whatever this variable is saying, I'm going to use a comma which concatenates between the string and the variable. So this time I'll run it. Hello, welcome to my program, what is your name? Mr. Vaughan. Hello Mr. Vaughan. Now what I could do is then ask the user to enter a number. So I'm going to say num1 equals input, please enter a number. Again, I'm just putting a space there to make it look more presentable on screen. Without the space, the prompt is right up against the text, so it just looks better. So num equals input, please enter a number. I'm then going to ask them to enter another number, so num2 equals input, please enter another number, and then I'm going to print num1 plus num2. So when I run this, what is your name? Mr. Vaughan. Hello Mr. Vaughan, please enter a number 23 and 56. Now when I press enter it will run line 14 of my code, so it will print num1 plus num2. And what it does, it joins them together, it concatenates them. So plus is another way of concatenating between different pieces of data or different variables, but they have to be the same data type for it to work. In this example, num1 is still a string, num2 is a string. We actually need these to be integers, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video.